present to you today a carrot that I grew in my own garden. The carrot, the carrot, the carrot. This is the carrot dance. Okay.
List your 5 creative dreams, have fun and live with passion. Creative dream list helps you to make your dreams come true.
My creative dream is to start a vegetable garden and plant some flowers. However, our garden isn't really in a state yet where planting anything is an option. So first we need to do some groundwork. So from January we've been working loads of weekends to make this patch of stones and dirt our personal oasis. The plan? Knock down the wooden wall separating the bike area from the rest of the garden to create an extra seating area. Then remove the old concrete tiles and replace them with grass and some second-hand tiles, well, new to us tiles. And those were nicely placed by people who knew what they were doing. Oh, and as a bonus project, we got to fix the fence that was knocked over by a storm. Then construct 2 masonry plan borders, left and right. Johan did most of the work, but I did the entire right one myself and learned a new skill along the way. And then finally the garden was at a stage where we could start planting some flowers and eventually vegetables. Yay! We are here at the plant nursery, that's what it's called?
Yeah.
Yeah. And they have so many beautiful flowers, it makes me so happy to be here. And everywhere I look I see flowers that I want in our garden. And yeah, we're gonna hopefully pick out some beautiful ones, take them home and plant them in the garden. Us on track with this system because I'm constantly distracted by every pretty flower I see. Let's get this one, let's get that one. So we have our car full of flowers and plants and stuff, and I'm super happy with all of our plants. What I created here is an overview of all the plants that we've bought, and I created all these little cards that have information about the specific plant. The name, what color the blossom is, when they blossom, how high they're going to be. So we have all the information we need to make a map of what plant will be where. The higher plants a bit further in the back, the shorter plants a bit more in the front. So I'm excited. I will do this first and then we'll start planting. Welcome at Midnight Gardening, where Johan and I drink beer and plant plants.
I'm not tired.
I collected all of these colorful pots and I bought some pretty flowers, so now I will be mixing and matching, putting them in a different container. So since 2 weeks we finally have our grass. The flowers that we planted in the border here are finally starting to bloom, and today I'm finally getting started on the vegetable garden. This is where my vegetable garden will be, and I already created a grid because the system I will be using is loosely based on square foot gardening, so every little square will have a different vegetable. What I will be doing today is first make sure that the ground is level, then take some ground cover, which makes sure that there won't be any plants or weeds or other roots coming from underneath to interfere with my vegetables. And make also sure that there are no holes on the side of the fence where all of the earth and the ground can get away. So put some stones, put the ground cover, and then put the fertile soil in so that I can start planting my vegetables. After months of hard work, our garden is finally in a stage where my vegetable garden is ready to start to grow some vegetables. I have some seeds and I will be planting those. This is the very first piece of my vegetable garden that I will be eating.
Yeah, it's good.
It's good. You want to taste?
Yeah.
Guys, I still cannot get over the fact that I grew this in my own garden. How awesome is that? So, if you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my blog, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you back soon to report back on my next creative dream.